A Spiritseer is an elder psyker who walks the path of the seer in a way that allows him or her to commune with the souls of the dead Aeldari preserved in the craft world's infinity circuit. In times of peace, the Spiritseers serve as a bridge between the living and the dead, ensuring the wisdom of the path remains available to those who are still able to influence the present. In time of war, the Spiritseers entreat the souls of the dead to empower Wraith Guard and Wraith Lord constructs, using the dead to protect their living kindred. After the cataclysmic fall of the Eldar in the 30th millennium following the birth of the Chaos God Sinesh, the Craftworld Eldar began to walk both the Elder paths and make use of Spirit Stones, to protect their souls from being devoured by the internal hunger of Sinesh, she who thirsts. When an Elder dies, his or her Spirit Stone is reverently gifted to the Wraithbone core of his or her craft world in the place known as the Dome of Crystal Seers, joining and mingling with the countless souls of the past Eldar already present within the craft world structure. The resulting gestalt psychic entity is known as the Infinity Circuit and is an integral part of the craft world's life, subtly providing guidance to the living Eldar dwelling within the craft world and protecting them against warp-spawned perils. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.